With the impending ban of TikTok, everyone from TikTok is fleeing over to an app called Rednote. Rednote is pretty similar. It kind of looks like Instagram slash Pinterest slash TikTok. Now, the reason why everybody from TikTok is going over to Rednote is probably because it's a Chinese app. TikTok users are upset at Mark Zuckerberg. They think that he had something to do with this whole TikTok ban, and they don't want to have to give any more money to him or Meta for that matter. So they want something similar. That's why they're going to Rednote. However, Dreamers specifically and also undocumented immigrants are growingly concerned about whether they should be downloading the app. Why? Well, in order to be eligible for a green card or naturalization, you have to check a box saying that you are not a member of or an affiliated member of a communist party. Naturally, this app is private, but it was created by a Chinese company that's ruled by the Chinese Communist Party. So in order to get into this, we actually have to define the law behind the USCIS policy. The Immigration and Nationality Act, any membership or affiliation with a communist party will not only deem you ineligible for a green card, but naturalization as well. However, also defined by the law, your affiliation with the Communist Party has to be meaningful. What I mean by that, you actually have to be committed to the political and ideological convictions of the Communist Party. In Rowald versus Perfetto, the immigrant in question was a member of the U.S. Communist Party. He actually paid yearly dues and he worked at a bookstore for the Communist Party. But he voiced at his interview that his affiliation with the party wasn't exactly because he had the same perspective politically as the party. He joined it so that he can give clothes and books and basically resources to other people through the party. More importantly, at his interview, he denied any commitment to violence and he denied deposing democratic views. The Supreme Court actually held that his association was not by definition meaningful and he was therefore admissible for a green card and eventually naturalization. In re Pruna, the federal district court held that the immigrant in question's membership of Fidel Castro's revolution wasn't necessarily meaningful because the reason why he joined was to restore democracy rather than promote communism. So using that interpretation, I think that if you are downloading and utilizing Rednote for any reason other than promoting the Communist Party, we have a pretty good argument that we are not a meaningful affiliate of the actual party. However, this is new territory. I think it would be safest to wait for either USCIS or a federal court to make a decision and release their interpretation of what basically utilizing a Chinese app means when it comes to communism. With the TikTok ban, I'm going to be promoting most of my content on here as well as Rednote, so please like, subscribe, and comment so that I can promote more videos here on.